thanks for coming back to my channel, Stay Forever True. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment to this video. I love this look. I wear this to work, to school. Okay, guess who wanted to be in the video with me? So I love to wear this look to anywhere. If I'm out running errands, going shopping, doctor's appointments, anything like that. I really enjoy wearing this look, and it's really easy. Your hair does not have to be long. You can just put your hair in a messy bun, put the scarf on, and then tuck a lot of your hair into the scarf, any hair that's sticking up. Like, it's super easy, you all, to do, and trust me, your crown will look gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. You're not gonna smile? She just woke up. Now you all see, I'm gonna have the ponytail go to the side like that, and then just take all of my hair that's sticking up and just put it back into the ponytail like that. You can pull some of it out. Like that. So anything that's coming out, just get it together, corral it together, and put it in your ponytail. And you're kind of like creating a flare at the top of your head. Now every time you do this, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna look completely different, like every time you do it. You see how I just took it and literally turned it so that my hair is falling like that, and then you just take these little pieces and you tuck it in. So you're really just manipulating your messy bun, pulling out pieces that are sticking out, getting them loose, and bringing them right back into the fold. Don't worry about none of this. We're gonna tuck all that in. Okay, so you can adjust the front how you want. You don't, this is how I have the front looking. Make sure all your hair is tucked in. All the end of your scarf is tucked. I just like to have a little bit of hair showing. That way it doesn't look like just like everything's wrapped. It kind of gives you a different appeal. You can bring this around. You can manipulate how that looks. You can twist your see, you can twist it so it looks different, and you can tuck it even tighter. So I'm just kind of holding it at the base, twisting it and tucking it tighter so you can see more hair. So that is the look. We are fanning it out and tucking and fanning and tucking and fanning and tucking. So that's that. I just decided to randomly have this lock hanging like Coming to America. But yeah, that is my crown. So like I said, just tuck everything in. Your hair does not have to be super duper long to do this. Just get it into a messy bun. Even if you just have your hair just sticking up at the top, put your scarf around and then just tuck all that hair down into the scarf, and you'll have a relatively big crown. You can even move it around some more, your hair, if you want to. Make it bigger, make it come more out to the front. Could do a lot with it. Let's throw on some earrings. Don't care what the world says, not a dreadlock. All right, you all. That's all we're gonna do. That's all that you have to do. You can play around with it. This is on unwashed, anything hair. Look at them guns, y'all. So yes, that's that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely follow me on Instagram, also Snapchat. Remember, in all that you do, stay forever true. Peace.